On a Pfaff sewing machine, you will notice that there is a Pfaff logo on the top of the bobbin. Make sure that you wind the bobbin with that logo on top and making sure that when you drop it into the bobbin area, you can also see the logo. That way, you never do it incorrectly. You'll notice that the thread will spin off the left side, and you want to bring it down to about 6 o'clock. Right here, there's a little groove. If you hold the bobbin while you pull a little bit to the left, you might hear a little click, and that is the bobbin tension, just from here to here. Without the thread in there, well, you definitely don't get the stitching you're looking for, and we often blame the machine for that problem. And really, what is it? It's kind of an operator problem. So all you have to do is come over the top part of this area, follow the arrow underneath the little cutter, and then you can place the cover over the bobbin area. Now before I do this, do you notice there's that little circle on the bobbin area of the middle? That is actually a magnifier. So if you're trying to read the top of a needle or can't see something, you have a magnifier right at your fingertips. When you go ahead and put this in, pull the thread, you'll notice the thread kind of stays right here. You do not need to bring the bobbin thread up when you start to sew. You can simply put the fabric underneath the foot, step on the foot control, and start to sew. That thread will come up into the first stitch that the machine takes, and it's easy as that. But if you don't put the bobbin in correctly, things aren't going to work. Now, one other thing that you might want to keep in mind is that you need to have a good needle in, good quality thread, and make sure you clean out from underneath your throat plate from time to time to keep the machine in top running condition.